What's up, my millionaires, billionaires, trillionaires that's entering this crypto space? You are now that 1% that hold XRP. Now, before I get into this video, listen, I got a little clip I want to play for you guys. It's telling you that meme stocks, people who are investing in meme stocks, they're moving out of there and going straight to crypto. Crypto family. This is what we're in. This is the time and space that we are living in right now. We are in that era of stuffing our bags, and becoming very, very wealthy.
Last month, our Kate Rooney has more on where retail investors, traders are putting their money to work. Kate.
Hey, D, crypto traders are picking up some slack for fading meme stock activity. The peak of day trading for stocks was back in January during, who can forget, the GameStop frenzy. Retail trading volume measured on Charles Schwab dropped roughly 30% from the first to the second quarter of this year. Goldman Sachs lays that out in a note to clients this week and downgraded Schwab as a result. And according to another firm, Vanda Research, weekly purchases of meme stocks, notably GameStop and AMC, are down from a peak of nearly $1 billion in June to roughly $300 million this week. And in the past week alone, purchases of those stocks dropped by roughly 28%. Analysts over there say that it shows investors are, quote, falling out of love with that segment of the market. Those stock prices are catching up with weaker demand as well. Shares of GameStop and AMC down about 30% and 6% respectively for the month. Still, though, they're up big this year. And in contrast, guys, crypto trading activity hit a new high in the second quarter. That was while Bitcoin touched about 60,000 back in May, then dropped to about 30,000 where it's trading right now, or the 30,000 range. Goldman does expect that to, quote, significantly boost Coinbase results. Some others that could benefit as well, Square and PayPal. Both of those companies now offering crypto trading. Those stocks are up double digits this month. And this shift in trading behavior could also shake up some of the revenue dynamics over at Robinhood. That company slated to go public at the end of the month. Crypto trading made up roughly 17% of its revenue for the first quarter. Equities and options combined made up about 6%.
XRP is where it's at. Cryptocurrency is the new beginning. We are in those times. So basically, I'm going to read this article here, why XRP is expected to hit the new all-time highs. Popular crypto analyst Benjamin Coleman says XRP will hit new all-time highs, but he thinks traders will have to wait a while. I don't believe we don't have to wait that long because everything is going on as what you see in the video. A lot of people are dumping stocks and heading into crypto. All right. He does, however, believe market cycles are lengthening for XRP, meaning the asset may soar in price during the current cycle. If you take a measured move from the current price to get to the prior all-time high, it will take around 436%. My guess is that XRP will make it to a prior all-time high this market cycle. But because I don't really talk about XRP that much, there are probably some people watching this channel that will have never heard of the idea of lengthening cycles. Now listen, you remember when Doge was at 0.00007? Then they made almost like 1,000% gain when it went up to 77 cents. Okay? So this is what he's basically talking about with the lengthening cycles. If the cycles really do lengthen like I think, and like many of us think now, then I would not necessarily lose faith in XRP, putting in a new all-time high, even if it doesn't do it in 2021. Even if this doesn't happen in 2021, it doesn't mean that over the next couple of years, it's not going to trend higher. Remember that, keep that in mind. XRP's price top of about $1.92, which the asset hit in April, is still down about 45% from its all-time high of $3.84 set in January 2018, which Cohen says is likely due to the current U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission lawsuit against Ripple. Family, like what I said in my Twitter, if you don't follow me on Twitter, it's at CryptoBrown4. Listen, I said I may not have 1 million XRPs. I may not have 50,000 XRPs. But what I do hold, I will become a multimillionaire. So just remember that. Just remember the bags that you hold. Accumulate when you can. I'm not a financial advisor, but I really do believe XRP is ready to shoot out the roof. Okay. So a second article I got here, like they talk about the NFT world. Can Ripple be a player in the NFT world? Which I do want to get into the NFT space, okay? Because everything is revolving around crypto. And they say Ripple makes a strong case for XRP's ledger as a natural place for creators to register their NFTs. So let's see what they got to say here. Crypto markets took a dip this summer, but NFTs or non-fungible tokens are as hot as ever. Sales of the tokens, which are touted as unique digital artifacts, totaled $2.5 billion in the first half of 2021 and are still going strong as collectors snap up NFTs of art, sports highlights, and much more. But remember, you see here what it says. NFTs are hot as ever. That's what you got to think about. Cryptocurrency is hot as ever right now. Even with the prices below market, they're hot. And you better grab some. You better grab you some back. Don't just grab any type of cryptocurrency. Make sure it has utility, a use case for its solution. The NFT boom has brought many new opportunities for artists, actors, and entrepreneurs, but also for blockchains and distributed ledgers. While Ethereum is the go-to place to mint and store NFTs, rivals are trying to get in on the action. The company whose faith is hitched to the XRP ledger announced last week that it joined a Series A investment in Mintable, a site that offers simple tools for anyone to make NFTs. And that's really big. In an interview with Decrypt, Ripple executive Monica Long described NFTs as something we're betting on and said the XRP ledger is a natural fit for inscribing NFT ownership. In particular, she pointed to the ledger's very low cost and built-in decentralized exchange. On the cost question, Long appears to have a point. Those who plan to mint NFTs on Ethereum often face an unpleasant surprise when they are socked with high gas fees, which are a form of transaction tax. In contrast, Long says using the cost of writing to XRP Ledger is more like a half of a penny. Family. Half of a penny. And before I even get to this, I'm going to go ahead and play this little clip right quick, another little video, and then I want to tell you guys something.
Melissa, I've been around exchanges a long time, and the number one thing traders look for, and in particular institutional traders, is reliable, predictable liquidity. And I give Brendan a lot of credit. I mean, he's an inspiring entrepreneur and just a smart guy, and he and his team came up with this concept of taking the liquidity pools in DeFi that provide this more reliable liquidity and turbocharging it with a $9 billion balance sheet, which is roundabout the balance sheet that we'll have day one when this business closes. I mean, for your viewers, this is an opportunity to invest early in a digital asset market structure business. I believe it has a lot of rewards. I'm going in as CEO of this business full time. Certainly, any business with significant potential rewards also has significant risks, and I encourage your viewers to study those as well. But I think this is a big idea as time has come. Look, I've said this before. Digital assets are here to stay. The smartest engineering talent is going into digital assets. Digital assets are solving very important problems. Anybody who tells you they know exactly how it's going to turn out is lying or delusional. But in general, you're going to see more and more interesting use cases, more and more dollars go into the space, and being able to provide predictable liquidity with a $9 billion balance sheet and teaming up with this visionary entrepreneur who I referred to feels like a really great opportunity to me.
Brendan, how should viewers view bullish in relation to the companies they may be more familiar with, like a Coinbase or a Binance, et cetera?
Yeah, so bullish is really focused on passing a lot of the beneficial interest to those that actually provide the underlying liquidity that creates the network effects of exchanges. As Tom mentioned, we're combining kind of the market architecture of DeFi-based concepts and bringing that to the high-performance central limit order book. So we're kind of bringing together the third-party bids and asks you would normally find on traditional centralized exchange, but then augmenting it with that deep liquidity that acts as a portfolio rebalancing function for those that are depositing into them. So the whole space is really converging around this concept of automating and integrating rent-seeking layers and driving value back up to those that create the network effects of these platforms. And that's exactly what we're trying to do here with Bullish, but in a regulated and compliant environment where big institutions and advanced retail can feel that their capital is safe and they're not in possession of any other types of money that they.
Crypto is here to stay. You heard in the video, crypto is here to stay. And new just came in. Flutter Wave backs Nigeria's basketball team for the 2021 Olympics. Becomes team's exclusive payment partner. And you know who's the payment partner is? It's with Ripple, XRP. All right, Africa's leading payments technology company will partner with a Nigerian basketball team, the Tigers, as they head to Tokyo to compete for gold at the 2021 Olympic Games. Okay? And like all of this here is running with XRP, family. Flutterwave is a Ripple partner. Okay? And this is going to the Olympics. You guys have to understand this. Like, Ripple has many partners around the globe. That's why I tell you XRP is going to reach its new all-time highs. XRP will be reaching those triple-digit numbers. Okay? So, last article, someone just paid $12 million worth of crypto for 101 carat diamond. Okay? Why I'm reading this article is because they're now using crypto to buy things, to go to the store and spend that much on items. And the businesses are like, we need to start accepting crypto. We need to start accepting crypto, not just Tesla and all these other major institutions, which is good. But imagine the small businesses that start up accepting crypto. Crypto is here to stay, family. So I'm going to go ahead and read this little clip here. A rare 101.38 carat pear-shaped D-flawless diamond named the Key 101.38 was sold by British founded auction house Sotheby's this Friday. An anonymous buyer from Hong Kong forked out a staggering $12 million worth of crypto for the gemstone. It's not clear what cryptocurrency was used for the record-breaking purchase, but the Sotheby's only accepts Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, even though it's not talking about XRP or anything else like that, but this is still a cryptocurrency. Go ahead and buy some Bitcoin and Ethereum. Imagine how much gas fees he had to send out to buy that. So imagine with your XRP and you're sending that out to buy things. It's not even going to charge you nothing, barely a penny, family. So that's the news I got for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you again in the next video.